Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
I'm joined by Muzaffar Shah of the Awami National Conference, which is also a constituent of the People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration. Shah Sahab, the center has been in touch with some of the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir for a meeting on Thursday in Delhi, which will be chaired by the Prime Minister.
Yes.
Now, will the parties in People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration take part in that meeting if a call comes?
You see, I have just seen a statement from Dr. Abdullah as the chief of the PAGD. He has said, as after we receive a formal invitation, he'll call a meeting. They'll call a meeting of their party, like individual parties will call their own meeting, and then finally PAGD will sit, because it will be for this kind of a meeting, this outreach that the Prime Minister is trying to initiate. The participation of PAGD is of utmost importance.
Okay.
So once he calls, Dr. Saab calls this meet, we will finalize that. In case we are going, what will be the format? What will be the broader parameters that we are going to talk?
But there is no problem going and taking part in the...
No, not at all. We, as Awami National Conference, I welcome such things. Why not? We will talk what we have to talk.
Okay.
There can be no two ways about that. And we will try and see that we give a most positive contribution to this kind of a meeting for the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
It's seen as a meeting to break the political impasse.
Yes.
For the last 2 years after the abrogation of Article 370. It's a big outreach. What all, if you can broadly tell us the contours of the discussions that
I have no idea, sir. It is the meeting has been called by the Prime Minister.
So what will be your point of view in the meeting?
We have very clear in the Gupkar, the People's Alliance and PAGD meeting we had just a few days back. Very clearly it was stated by Dr. Saab, and very then clearly elaborated by Tarigami Saab, who is the spokesperson, that dialogue is welcome. We'll talk on all subjects. I'll tell you. We'll talk on all subjects, but as far as PAGD is concerned, we are committed to the declaration of 4th August 2019.
That the restoration of...
Yes. Restoration of 370-35A. Definitely, we will have a discussion.
This meeting is seen basically before the elections, which are slated to happen later this year or early next year, and also the delimitation. What do you have to say about that?
We have very clear views about delimitation.
What?
Delimitation exercise as of today, that matter is pending before the court.
Okay.
But the government of the day, without waiting for the decision of the court, it is still going ahead with its program. So that thing will be one matter which particularly has to be addressed by the National Conference, because they have 3 members in the Lok Sabha, and they are supposed to be a part of that.
Would you insist on restoration of statehood before any assembly elections in J&K?
No, we said restoration of 370.
Before any
Yes,
electoral
and 35A.
process is started. Right.
That is a document from us.
Yeah.
That is history. We will have. I hope that we are given a free chance to talk.
Okay.
We will make our views very clear, and it is nothing to do. It is not neither it is anti-constitution, neither it is anti-national, or is it or anything to do with any communal flavor in it.
Thanks so much. So obviously, Muzaffar Shah telling us that they welcome the meeting. They will take part in the meeting if they are sent an invite, but at the same time saying that they will really stick to their stand, which is the restoration of Article 370 and a reversal of the constitutional change that were made to Jammu and Kashmir on August 5, 2019. In Srinagar, Zafar Iqbal.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.